What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are changing the front diff fluid in the Land Cruiser. So here is the drain, and then the fill is way up there. Make sure you crack open the fill bolt first before you open the drain, just for whatever reason that you can't get the fill out. But the tool you need is a T55, this weird star-shaped thing. So careful, there's a little washer on the fill and the drain bolt. Make sure you don't drop it. So once you've given the front differential a chance to drain all of its oil, make sure you clean off the drain plug and, of course, the diff housing itself, and then you want to cap the drain plug. There we go. Now let's get our little pump and we'll pump fresh fluid into the fill hole. So now you want to fill the fill plug with some fresh gear oil, and usually I use a Mobil 1 7590. You can use whatever you prefer, but this one's worked really good so far. It's not too thick, doesn't kill gas mileage, and it still seems to be plenty of lubrication. Sure you get the hose a little bit deeper in there, and then you can start pumping away. Now it usually takes about a quart and a half, right around there, so make sure you have 2 quarts on hand and you should be okay. Let's see how much this one takes. Okay, here goes the second quart. Okay, almost forgot, for the second quart, since we know it's going to be full soon, make sure you have your fill plug bolt cleaned and ready to go, because once it starts leaking from the fill plug, that's when you know it's full. Oh, there we go. It's coming out. So that's full. Fill plug back in. Clean it up a little bit, and there we go. Took right at about 2 quarts. And that is it. Now with fresh fluid in the differential, you can go out there and enjoy the Cruiser. If you enjoyed this video, don't be shy and hit that like button. And for more Land Cruiser content, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.